Hi guys, how it is going? And today I'm gonna showing you out some of the best shortcuts of Windows 10, 11 and Windows 7 that you can use to boost your productivity. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. And before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get notified. So let's get started. Dorado. Well, the first one is pressing. You can press Alt plus Windows key, and as you can see all the tabs now opened in your device. Also, you can see all the things that we have opened in few days ago. Also, you can press Alt GR plus Tab to get a simplified view of your all the tabs that you have opened. Well, if I'm going to Word, let's press enter and exit. So let's move on to number 2. Well, the next one is personally one of my favorite shortcut. For that, if you are working for any documents that you don't want to show anyone, well, first you need to just type Windows plus L and you can see your device will be locked within seconds. Well, this shortcut can increase your productivity. So let's move to number 3. Well, this trick is Cannoter. It has a god weapon. It can increase your productivity by 2x. Now see, while I'm opening now Google Chrome, and if you want to now I can create many of the virtual desktop. For that you just need to press Windows plus Control plus D, and you can see I open another desktop. Now when I open Google Chrome, you can see that I can open another one. Now you can also access it through this task and you can see there are many desktops that I have opened. So now let's move to number 4. Now you have created all your virtual desktop, but how can you swap between them? For that, you just need to press your Windows Control and the left right keys, and you can see that I'm swapping between all my virtual desktop. And you can use this method to hide your gaming from your father. Yeah, not probably right. Well, let's move to number 5. Well, now you have created your virtual desktop, but how can you delete it? Well, first you need to press Windows Control plus F4. You can see you have deleted it successfully. Now let's move to number 5. Well, you are thinking that we have videos only for productivity. No, we have also videos for gamers. You can also press Windows plus G and you can open the game. Here you can capture your video, see your performance of your PC, chat with anyone, see resources with Xbox. You can see resources, chat with anyone with Xbox Social, select your audio over here, and this all can be done just by pressing Windows plus G. So that's all for today. If you get a little much information from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. You can stay